Welcome to the Community Tire Salsa Garden. Yes, I said salsa garden. So we've got the garden hat on. We're ready to take a look about to find some treats for our salsa. In fact, this is something that the community can all partake in. Patty Fleischmann, this is her passion project. Patty, we love the Fleischmans. We love you and Howard, Community Tire Pros. We see you on the show very often. But we've never talked about this garden. What is this?
Well, this is our little effort to help our neighborhood. We're down here at Durango and Central and right across from our corporate. And whenever we move into a area with a new business, it takes about a year to figure out what's good for that community because it's our responsibility to give back. And we found this empty lot, and this is what we did. We built a salsa garden. It's in a food desert, so there's no grocery stores or anything 3 to 5 miles.
Vic, as Victor takes a walk to our right here, Vic, I want to show the big tires that we have to your right, because this used to be what?
It used to be just an empty lot of big mining tires and construction tires. And we decided when we looked at this place, what do we do to assist the community? And we said, you know, we're going to make a community tires salsa garden. We're going to combine the gardening and the art of tires, and we're going to make it flourish and bring people in and enjoy it. And thus now over 9,000 pounds of flowers and vegetables and fruit we've given to the community, free, all free.
You work with a certain organization. Who is that and why?
That's Joshua's Feeding Tree program. They're down on Willetta in Central. And what they do, we assist them in bringing fresh vegetables in on Wednesday mornings for their harvest. And it's for homeless that have appointments to come in and get food boxes and food. And they also assist in-home HIV terminally ill patients. So they also receive boxes. And they also like to take in cat and dog food for those inbound patients as well. So whatever we can do for the community out of this little garden to try and make a big difference is...
And how does the community interact with you here?
Well, they come in, and whether they're caretaking someone in the area, they enjoy the peacefulness of the garden. Our residents around here can also rent a bed. Now we're going into summer, so it gets a little warmer, so it's $5 a bed. We take care of all the soil and the water. They just have to be creative of what they'd like to plant, whether it be flowers or vegetables.
How do we contact you? How do we get more information if we want to come by, if you want to rent a bed?
Come into communitytiregarden.org, and we can have all the information on there, and we'll be happy to assist any questions you might have, and we love to have new people here.
Okay, it's time for me to start picking because I'm having salsa this weekend.